are my favorite beads.
Yeah, they're more like a chandelier.
Oh, hi!
Hey, everybody. Welcome to How to Feed a Loon. I'm Chris.
And I'm Wesley.
The raging Cajun Loon.
The Loon.
And folks, we are so excited because we are in a Cajun kind of
Yes.
mood. We're all in the mood
Mardi
for Mardi Gras.
Gras.
So
Love it.
today we are going to do a savory appetizer.
I love it.
We
I
are
love
going to
it.
make some incredible crab beignets.
Mmm.
They're so good.
Yes.
All right, so let's get started. This is actually a recipe that we got from one of our favorite chefs in New Orleans. His name is Chef Donald Link.
Donald Link.
Amazing.
Amazing.
He's got a lot of restaurants there. One of our favorites to go to
Is Butcher.
Butcher. It's so
oh, his, what is it?
Muffalata.
Muffalata. I always get it wrong. I always say muffalata.
Yeah,
but that sounds like a...
Mofaranga. Anyway, it's so good. It's really, really good. What we're going to do is today...
I'm a muffalata.
I'm trying to tell them about these crab beignets.
Yay!
You're going to say yay for these crab beignets. They're so good. All right, so let me tell you what it's made of. Obviously, the main ingredient is crab.
Yep.
This is a pound of really incredible crab meat. You want to pick it over, go through it a couple times. Sometimes there's a little piece of cartilage in there. That's
all right. You know, it's fresh.
Yeah, that's true. But anyway, you want to get that out, which is a good thing to do. Here I've got 2 eggs that I have whisked, and I've gotten them kind of frothy. And I'm going to add to that a cup of good quality mayonnaise. We are jumping right in.
My stomach is saying, feed me.
Yay for grabbing yay. Yay. And then we're going to take this right over here. This is 2 tablespoons of this coarse ground mustard.
I love that.
I just love that. And then what we're going to do, go ahead and take that for me. Thank you.
I
I really do appreciate it.
Thank you.
And then we're just going to stir this up, and we're going to get this nice. It's going to make this incredible sauce almost for the binding for these crab beignets.
I'm
Okay.
sure you can hear my beads.
Your
through
jingle
my
jangles.
Microphone.
Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to add this wonderful mixture right in here with the crab. That looked good.
Yeah, well, it's raw egg. How good can raw egg
Well, it's going to get really good once that raw egg. And then we've got probably 2 tablespoons of fresh scallions that I finely chopped, which I just
Yay!
love.
Here, hand me your dirts.
Okay, here, let's make sure we get all that out of there. Here's my dirt.
Give me your dirts.
And then we got a little red onion. I just love you. You can adjust these measurements however you want to get the exact measurements.
It's the colors of Mardi Gras.
Yay! I love it. I love it. I love it. And then we're going to do a nice pinch of freshly ground black pepper. We want to do some salt. I'm going to do about a teaspoon and a half. I love using kosher salt.
Yes.
It's the perfect.
Yes.
It's the
Has a
perfect
good
texture. Yep. And then this is just a nice pinch of cayenne pepper. Give it just a little bit of heat. Nothing too crazy. And then what we're going to do.
Like I'm cooking over here.
Yeah, he's not really that good of an actor. Anyway, so I've stirred that up, and now...
You're like pushing me over into the wall, please.
Well, I wish you'd get a hint. Anyway, we've got this oil over here. These are panko breadcrumbs. You've gotten me flustered.
That's all right. That's what I'm here to do, fluster you.
You do it perfectly. Anyway, these are panko breadcrumbs that are just going to give this incredible texture, this crunch.
Got a little sniffle, folks. Sorry about that.
I know, well, it's because you're so excited.
I know.
So anyway, you're going to get this fully incorporated just like that. And then what's going to need to happen is that you want this to kind of firm up a little bit. So you would put this in the refrigerator.
Yes.
So I'm going to give this to you
All
for
right.
about an hour. Now, in the interest of time, I've gone ahead and I've made up another batch, and we've got some right here.
Right here.
Now, you've probably seen this vessel of hot oil. That's exactly what it is. This is what I love to do is to make sure that you're going to get it to the perfect frying temperature, which is about anywhere between 350 to 365. You don't want to really go any higher than that. You don't want to guess at it. So I like to use this. It's a candy thermometer, but it tells you exactly what the temperature is. We're perfect. Where it even tells you deep fry. Perfect. So let's get this out of here. I'm going to toss. Oh, I forgot about the lemon. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I'm so excited. I forgot to put lemon. You got to also put the juice of 1 lemon in the mixture that we just did.
Yes.
No problem. I can go back and do that after we've done this.
Yeah.
These have got the lemon. Everything is perfect.
Yeah, we can squirt some more on it too.
Well,
I'm a squirter.
You can.
sounded horrible.
Squirter, not a lover. Anyway, so, okay, we were ready. So this is some oil. Like I said, I've got this. It's come to a perfect frying temperature of about 360 degrees.
Perfect.
And what we're going to do is we're just going to gently pick these
Ooh,
things
be
up.
careful. The pooches are around.
I know, high ebb and flow. You can't see them, but they're right here, ready to catch
They're
a beignet.
fine. No, we're good. We're
Oh,
good.
yeah.
Be
Obviously, be
careful with that
very
oil.
careful with this. This
Don't
is,
fill it up too much or it'll lower flow.
yeah, you don't want to,
I'm telling you.
yeah. Okay,
That
now
would
this
be
is
a
good.
disastrous situation.
Now we're going to use a little spider here, and these fry up really, really quickly. So you're just going to want to kind of keep an eye on them.
Those are,
See
wow.
that? They're gorgeous.
Look at that.
Now, Wesley, if you want to move that
yeah.
plate, I've got another plate that I put some paper towels I've lined it with, just so it'll.
Oh, here, I'll put this over here.
Okay, that's a
Put this
really
over
good
here.
idea.
And then here's the paper towel plate.
Really thinking, which is always good.
I'm real good at
Thinking,
thinking.
at least I think.
I'm
Anyway,
real good at thinking.
you think? All right, now look at that. Is that not beautiful?
Oh, gorgeous.
Rose, I'm telling you.
Look, look, look.
You serve these at a party, and you
Yeah,
will not believe,
forget
first of
about
all,
it.
how fast they
Nobody
go.
will leave, and they'll expect you to slave away over this hot oil for days.
Well, they'll leave as soon as they're all done, which means they'll be gone in minutes. So
kinda
maybe
like
you
me.
shouldn't serve them.
it's kind of like me.
What?
If you want me out of the room. Wait, no, that's not right. Or whatever.
Okay, anyway, all right. So now let me tell you what we're going to serve this with. This is a lovely little, it's called a white remoulade. It's so delicious. It's very simple. It's like a cup of mayonnaise.
Ooh,
I
those
put
are
some little fresh onion, a little fresh celery. I did some Worcestershire sauce. And it's just really, really wonderful.
That's the bee's knees.
And a
Love
pinch
it.
of cayenne pepper.
Love it.
It's really delicious.
All
It
right,
goes
I am
perfect
going to
with
go
this.
for this.
Yeah, cut into it. Let's put a little bit of this remoulade.
Look at that.
Oh,
Chris.
got it on your thumb.
That's a good remoulade. Remoulade? Remoulade?
Remoulade, remoulade.
Here we go.
Dig in.
Hi.
Yeah. It's crazy, right?
That is so good. I don't understand.
I know. It's
So I mean,
defies all logic.
yeah.
It's so delicious.
Yeah, it's amazing. Everything, it has a really fresh
I know.
taste, but even though it's fried,
No, it does. It's not heavy. And even people who say, I'm not really a
It's
big
so
seafood
good.
eater, I don't like
So
crab,
good.
they eat this and they're like, oh my God, it's amazing.
yeah. Now that is 100% Loon approved.
Why did I have a feeling you were going to say that?
Of course.
That's amazing. Oh my gosh.
I
this
just
is-
love my beads.
Oh, it's so incredible. These are so good.
I love those more. Oh, yeah, it's good.
Amazing.
Yeah. Now you can get this recipe and many more on howtofeedaloon.com.
And be sure, if you haven't already, to follow us, like us on all of our social channels. That way you'll never miss a beat.
That's
never miss
right.
a recipe and all of this fun.
Yes.
All right,
We're
guys.
gonna get back to this.
Bye.
Bye. Now let's see how many beignets I can fit in my mouth.
Well, you put that theory to the test.
Hey everybody! If you like what you saw, subscribe to our YouTube channel.
That's right. And to get more awesome Cajun recipes, just click here.
Yeah, right here. Bye.